Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link the lost media in the CapCut PC. So here, I've already opened my CapCut PC, and if you encounter this problem, the media not found, probably because the file has been moved by you or by the other person that using your computer. So what you need to do is right click on the media and click on this option, link to media. And after that, it will pop up like this, and you can just click on link media now and find the file on your computer. Okay, I'm going to find the file here. Let's find it. Okay, this one. Click on open, and after that the media will be linked again and it will be available to add it to the CapCut PC track. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.